Today, we're diving into the exciting world of robotics, where innovation meets functionality. We have something truly special to share with you. Meet the Astribot S1, the latest creation in the world of robotics. But before we delve into its amazing capabilities, let's take a quick journey through its inception. The Astribot S1 is the result of years of research and development by a team of brilliant engineers and designers. From its initial concept to its final form, every aspect of the Astribot S1 has been meticulously crafted to push the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. Now, let's talk about what sets the Astribot S1 apart from other robots on the market. One of its most impressive features is its advanced artificial intelligence system, which allows it to learn and adapt to its environment in real time. Whether it's navigating through complex terrain or interacting with humans, the Astribot S1's AI capabilities make it incredibly versatile and adaptable to a wide range of tasks. But the Astribot S1 isn't just intelligent, it's also incredibly agile and dexterous. With its state-of-the-art sensors and precision engineering, it can perform delicate tasks with ease, from picking up objects to manipulating tools. Whether it's assisting with household chores or aiding in complex industrial processes, the Astribot S1 is ready to tackle any challenge with grace and efficiency. Of course, no discussion about the Astribot S1 would be complete without mentioning its sleek and futuristic design. With its smooth lines and metallic finish, it's not just a robot, it's a work of art. But perhaps the most exciting thing about the Astribot S1 is the endless possibilities it represents for the future of robotics. With its advanced technology and innovative design, it's paving the way for a new era of human-robot interaction. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the world of robotics and the Astribot S1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.